Due to the impact of Typhoon Dooksuri, torrential rains battered Beijing and its surrounding regions, causing anomalous floods in several districts of the capital city and several localities in Hebei province in the past few days. Zhuozhou city is one of the worst affected areas in Hebei. Some local households had to relocate to safer places due to the floods. At a temporary flood relief center set up in a school, flood-affected residents have been receiving essential supplies.
接收的这个受灾群众呢，因为分为2批，第一批呢，大概在1500到2000左右，后来呢，根据受灾的这个情况，又增加了有3000人。
这个点呢，我们配备了医护人员26名，配备了必要的监测设备和检测设备，配备了充足的药品，
有水有电有空调，尤其是大热天也热不着，早中晚都有饭。我们一家6口。 在这儿，最起码基本生活保障没有问题。
As the water level of the waterlogged areas declines significantly, residents have begun to return home. Currently, they are busy dredging and disinfecting the surrounding environment to prevent possible disease spread. In Beijing's Fangshan district, some villages at resettlement sites have also returned home.
这个说回家，瞅着天也晴了，就想家了。
挺好，这儿的政府的给我们照顾的都挺全面的，吃的也好，睡的也挺好的。
State Grid Beijing Electric Power Company said on Sunday that nearly 60% of the 270 flood-affected villages in Beijing have restored power supply. Meanwhile, in Zhuozhou, 2 temporary water supply stations have produced 700 tons of water, helping alleviate the water usage difficulties of the locals. As of 7 a.m. Sunday, 93 residential communities in Zhuozhou had resumed electricity supply, and over 90% of the communities in the city proper had restored power supply.